How to remove sound from a video in CapCut in just a few easy steps. To remove audio from a video in CapCut, start by opening the app on your phone and creating a new project or opening an existing one. Import the video you want to edit by tapping Import and selecting the clip. Once the video appears on the timeline, tap on it to select it. A row of icons will appear at the bottom of the screen. Look for the sound icon, which looks like a speaker, and tap it. In the menu that appears, you can either mute the audio, which silences the whole clip, or go a step further by choosing Extract Audio. This option separates the audio from the video, allowing you to delete the audio track by tapping on it and then hitting the trash can icon. After making these changes, preview the video to ensure the sound is gone. If all looks good, tap Export in the top right corner to save your video. Select your preferred quality and format, and CapCut will process your video without audio. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe.